Good morning, you lovely lot. Right, we're going to move on to the next step of our division of fractions. And I'm going to start off with some wonderful artwork. Believe it or not, these are 6 apples. I know they look more like green tomatoes, but art's not my biggest strength. So I've got 6 apples and I'm going to divide them by 2. Okay, and I think we can all see that the answer is 3. There are 3 on each side. So 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Excellent, you're doing really well. Right, but I want you to think about this. What if each of these apples was worth 1/8? What did I have to start with? I had 6 lots of 1/8. I had 6 eighths. And I've divided it by 2. I've halved it. And now in each side, I've got 3 eighths. Nothing complicated about that. All I've done, if we look, is we've divided our numerator. So the number of parts that we've got, we've just divided equally. So I started with 6 parts that were called eighths, divided it by 2, and I ended up with 3 of these parts, and we're actually working with eighths. Okay, so even though our numerator and our divisor aren't equal, it's exactly the same. We're just sharing out these parts. So if I do another one, let's do 6/8 divided by 3. I've got 6 parts. We know that they're eighths because we know this divide. So 6 parts divided by 3 is going to give me 2. And I want you to go that extra step today. If you get an answer that you can simplify, I would like you to simplify it. Give it me in its simplest term. Should we do one more? Right, 4/7 divided by 2. I've got 4. 4 is divisible by 2. It is a multiple of 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, which gives me 7/2. And I'm just going to prove that what we did initially when we looked at dividing unit fractions, so we couldn't divide our numerator, we had to multiply our denominator to make the parts smaller rather than sharing them out. If we look at perhaps this one, if I'd have said 6/8 divided by 3, if I hadn't realised that I could do 6 divided by 3 to give me 2/8, I might have said, oh, okay then, well, I know I can multiply my denominator by 3 to make it 3 times smaller. So that would then give you 6/24. And what do we notice about 6/24? 6 is a factor for both, and it would simplify to 1/4 again. So it wouldn't be wrong. But if your numerator is a product, is a multiple of your divisor, simply divide them up and share them out equally. That's what you're going to be practicing today. As usual, you've got your do it, your secure it, and a deepen it that I hope is going to make you think, and I'll pop some more work up too. Have fun, guys. Bye-bye.